or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. Oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag and
Hi lovies, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rosie, aka the corporate mom. On this channel we do all things motherhood, homemaking, skincare, relationships and lifestyle vlogs. On our way to the north, currently we are in Ochivarango with Uncle Jay is the driver as always, and yeah, it's going to be a travel vlog, so please stay tuned. Comment, like and subscribe and share the video.
Jacuzzi, we'll go upstairs. With our best moves we get groovy. Oh my, we both.
Here black and here was white.
Okay, so you saw a black and white cat. And that one, what color is that one? That one which is sleeping there, is it white? Are you sure that's white? This is rainwater.
Let's go to the cat. Mommy, I do people left their shoes here.
I don't know, Mela. What are you doing? Good morning, lovies. So we are in the north, but Jay is in Oshakati. So yeah. Okay. So I'm waiting for the water to boil, so that I can go and take a bath. Yeah.
Open doors, no dark around us unless the bars have been broken up. Overcome.
We don't need this one that I need.
I think this is my roller. Hi lovies, I'm done bathing and I'm having a Coke, and I was having nuts. lovies, I'm just here trying to relax. Yeah. Mm. Make a pepper smile.
Wahala ponje nang
Aye. So lovies, today is a new day. As you saw before, I fed Myla, and then I also had to take a bath. Yesterday my phone went off. Because my charger was not with me. It was with Jay, and Jay is in Oshakati. So I just got my charger after 5, around to 7. Yeah, but it's extremely hot here. Ezekiel.
Tameka? Zike? Yalula? Tatuan? Eh?
Ezekiel. This is my snack for the day. Good morning, lovies. Today is day 3. So we are going to attempt to fetch water. Yeah. Marlies is there. Matthew and Mala went. So we are going to attempt to fetch water. We are attempting to fetch water.
Hi, Daddy.
I'm done washing dishes, and now I'm going to move on to do Marley's hair. We are done with doing Marley's hair. We are left with this hair. This hair. Myla? Myla? Look here. Let's say. Why are you guys eating the things? Is it not for Uma?
No.
Oh, it's just for you guys to eat.
Yes.
Hmm. What are you eating, madam?
I'm eating this one.
Say Marula.
Malula.
Malula. Malula. Malula. Thank you, guys.
Also got a bunch of flowers.
Oh, thank you. Morning, lovies. We are going to attempt to make katete for Myla and Matthew and Marlis. So we are attempting to make katete. Don't laugh at me when it comes out with, how do you call those things? With boligis.
Bubbles.
Yeah, not bubbles. When it comes out with, when it's not going to be smooth, because we are using mahangu to make katete. First attempt fail.